Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Zahra Yassin and I recently cleared my PLAB 2, got my GMC registration and now by the grace of God got a job in the NHS as well. And I really attribute the success of all these steps to Friends Academy Manchester. And I'm highly thankful and grateful to the whole team of Friends Academy, including Dr. Suhail, Dr. Rahman, Dr. Kamran, Dr. Rashid, Dr. Fakhr, for all their sincere help and support they provided to achieve these milestones. And today I'm making this video to share my personal experience of PLAB 2 preparation with the Academy. First of all, I would like to say that the sessions were so interactive that I think I cherished each and every second of the session, because it was not just you are sitting in front of a video and you're watching a recorded lecture and there is nobody to report to. It was a two-way kind of a learning and teaching experience, and everybody was involved in the session. Nobody was like left to sleep and forget about what is going on. So and I really enjoyed as well. And the other thing I would like to say is that the approaches, the pattern of history taking, the pattern of dealing different kind of scenarios, including like for instance breaking bad news, how to deal the palliative care patient, how to deal elderly patient, how to deal a patient who is near the end of life care, who is nearly about to die, the GP settings, stations. Dr. Suhail and Dr. Rahman, they give a very beautiful and a very easy and simple pattern to follow, which can fit into any kind of scenario. So I was not like a kind of a scripted doctor that who has just memorized a certain pattern of questions, and if something goes here or there in the exam, then I would be blank. So I was given a kind of a journal and a very remarkable approach, I must say, that I was able to deal any kind of scenario in the exam. And the Simon practice, yes, how I can forget that, because I think for me it was the most scary kind of a scenario, most scary station before the exam. But after a wonderful and amazing session with Dr. Rashid, I must say, I felt really confident in it, and I thought that any scenario on the Simon in the exam, I think I would be able to do now. And the psychology kind of stations, and the colleague type of station where you have to deal a colleague in a scenario. So these were also kind of tricky stations for me, but Dr. Kamran gave a beautiful approach for them as well and made them very easy. So again, I am really thankful to all of you for helping me to nail this exam in a very short period of time as well. And apart from these practicalities of the exam, the thing I really appreciate from all of the team of the Friends Academy is a moral support, is an emotional support. They were there to answer my questions anytime I asked, no matter how many times I asked. The atmosphere and in the settings in the academy, it was really friendly, it was comfortable. I never felt that it's being bossed by someone there. Everyone was really nice, and I met some really nice and lovely doctors there as well. So I think overall it was a wonderful experience. And I would also like to add in here that the mannequins in the Simon, they were just available 24/7 to practice. So it was not like I have to travel and I have to book appointment or something or whatever to practice on them. And yes, and whoever is watching this video and in the process of making a decision that to choose an academy for the preparation of PLAB 2, I would highly recommend them. I would highly suggest them that they are in the right place, they're in the best place. And if they want to nail this exam successfully with flying colors, they should choose Friends Academy. Thank you.